Hi guys, this is my attempt at a Mini 8 Losi unboxing. Don't expect it to be super professional, but there isn't many of these out here, so I thought I'll give it a bash. My dog is in the room, so he may well get in the way at some point, but we'll give it a go and see what we got. Obviously, you got all the usual bump on the side here. I'll tell you all the stuff. I don't believe this car comes with AVC. But it does have a slightly better motor and a longer chassis compared to the original Mini 8. Let's get it open and have a look. Quick look round to see what we've got here. So there's a little bit of info on the side. Ready to run. It's got the batteries in there. Let's have a look. So with the cover of the box, you see we've got the batteries in there. We've got an instruction manual here. A few tools in there. And go over there. Here's the car, which I have mainly bought for my dog to chase, to be fair. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Let's see if we can get this out. I think that's wedged in there. Let's get that out there. Looks like the transmitter box there. We have the remote control, the transmitter, sorry. Here's the transmitter. It's not got the rubber grip of the earlier models. It's all pretty plasticky. 4 AA batteries there. No rubber on the steering. You've got all your trims up there. Yeah. Looks like it will do the job for the meanwhile. We have a charger, charging the battery, adapter for the charger for various countries as well. And then I should get this car out. There she is. All looking very shiny. I'm sure that won't last for long. It's quite scale. Let's see if we can get this off the bit of cardboard, which I believe should do the trick. Doesn't want to come out just yet. Got a nice aluminium chassis there. Quality control passed. Nice to see. All looks pretty cool. Flip that back over. Yeah. All looks pretty good. Let's pop those off. Let's see how this pops up. Nice little hinge design. And then what we got in here. So we've got the receiver aerial there. And the Nimi battery, which will be getting changed out. I won't be using that. I'll be using a 2S to start with. Maybe going on to a 3S. So I'll get rid of that. Pop this out. I think. No. Pop that out there. Let's get that right out of the way. There's the supplied 1200 Nimi battery. That won't be getting used. I'll be giving this a try, seeing if I can squeeze that in there for the moment. The only real things I have planned for it, so I have this little dinky fan from Racing. I'll be sticking that on the motor. I'm not planning to stick a fan on the ESC. I'm just going to run that until it pops and then upgrade it. I also plan to stick a Dean's on there as well. We'll lose this EC connector. And that is really it. I'm going to see how it runs from there. I will be using it on grass, so if I need to, I may well put some more 110 scale wheels on it. I've got a metal spur gear as well ordered, because I've heard that they do wear out quite quickly. But apart from that, I'm not really planning doing any more upgrades. So yeah, let's have a closer look at the electronics here. There's the ESC, the servo, bell cranks, nice adjustable arms, nice threaded shocks there, all metal. It's good to see. Move that out of the way. Not actually a rating on the motor, but you can see it is quite a bit longer than the original Mini 8's motor. So yeah, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed that. You never know, if you're lucky you might see a few running videos down the line, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.